Hello, welcome to E&T Video. We're at Abbey Road Studios to interview mastering engineer Sean McGee.
It's purely mechanical, and in essence it hasn't changed really since they were scratching wiggly lines on wax cylinders and shouting into horns. In fact, if we were cutting a silent groove in here and if you shouted loud enough at that, you'd be able to hear the sound. It would come back at you.
Oh really? So that would be cut into the record?
Yeah, very quietly mind you, but I have had a band that did that in their run-out groove. All three of them stood round it and they screamed, and in the run-out groove as it got to the end you could hear them going rah. Yeah. In fact, if you've got a paper cup and a pin, stuck the pin in the bottom of the cup, stuck that in the groove, you'd hear music.
So we're going to cut a record?
Yes, why not?
Right now? Let's do that.
Yeah, well, I'll get you to hit go in a minute.
To do.
Right, so how it works is the music is going to come out off the CD. It's going to go via a digital to analog converter, which is going to go into this desk. A signal will be fed to the lathe, and a delayed signal will be fed to the cutter head itself, and then it will cut. So we're going to cut a 7-inch. So we start the thing, get it rolling like that, and then do that, and hit that button there. Now in a minute, you'll watch this button light here. It'll start to flash, and it'll come on. When it goes off, hit the button.
When it goes off.
Yeah. Now hit the button. You're cutting a record. Now you can hear here, if I move my microphone nearer, noise, can you hear that?
Is it slightly delayed?
Yeah. It's 667 milliseconds.
Right.
In fact, if we mute the speakers, you can hear the what's coming out the cutter head.
There's the vocal.
Yeah. So basically what you've got there is a stylus, a couple of coils, and it's doing this and up and down, cutting the record. So for every movement left or right, up and down for phase. So volume and phase, up and down, and so it's doing this. So you're having a groove that's not only swinging left and right, the base of it is going up and down as well. And that's it. Yeah, you do that, there you go, and then you press the fast button. You've got lateral movement, and then you've got vertical movement, as you can see there where the it's gone thinner and thicker. So you imagine it's a triangle. Right. So the deeper that the longer that distance is, the wider the things at the top. So you can see it's going deeper by the fact that it's much wider at the top. And obviously long sweeping movements are lower frequencies. Little jagged ones are high frequencies. Right. It's just literally that. So you've got wavelength and you've got amplitude. So if we stick the needle on the record.
Okay, this is the playback.
Yeah. And then
unmute.
we'd do that.